Let me show you how we can use the Pro mode in camera on a Samsung Galaxy S26. So of course, in order to find the Pro mode, once you open the camera, over here at the bottom you can tap on More, and then you should be able to find the Pro option. In the Pro mode, we have a couple of additional parameters that allow you to adjust the photo so that you can pretty much take it and make it look exactly as it should be. This is pretty much the basics of a more advanced photography. So in here we should be able to find the ISO option, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO allows you to keep your photo clear in bright light, and higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but if you have too high ISO, it can add grain to your photos. In here we can move left and right to adjust the ISO, and you can tap on the manual text in order to set it to automatic. Then we have the shutter speed right next to it, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture the light. And slow shutter speed lets in more light, which is good for night shots, for example, but it can blur motion, and fast speeds freeze action. Next, we have the exposure. So this, generally speaking, adjusts the overall brightness of your image. This is the only parameter that cannot be set to automatic. You can just reset it to 0. It's a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker. Then we have the focus selections. Of course, this allows you to decide what exactly should be sharp in your photo. We can move to the left in order to focus on the macro subjects, and then we can also move to the right side in order to focus on bigger subjects that are, for example, somewhere in the background. And if you tap on MF, you can set it to manual, you can set it to multi, and also we can set it to center. There we go. And in case you want to find more information about these parameters, by the way, you should be able to tap on this eye icon that we have pretty much above the bar in here. And besides that, we have the white balance, which adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. So if you apply a lower value, colors look more bluish. If you apply higher value, then you will find more yellow or orange pictures. Of course, here we can also set it to automatic. There is also the tint option, which is available if you don't use the the automatic white balance, so you can adjust the tint color as well. So let's reset that. I'm gonna switch this back to automatic, and there we go. In the case of the manual focus, in case you actually set it up, if you want to reset it, then you just want to switch to the center option. Center is the automatic focus. And that is pretty much it. Of course, the Pro mode contains or has different additional options that you can find in here, so be sure to check them out, like for example the exposure monitor. Here we have the mirroring, so you can adjust additional stuff in here in case you need to do this. So usually you can press and hold your finger on an icon in order to find out what it is, which can be quite helpful. And if you want to, you can hide these parameters by using this button on the left side. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.